second song is actually not Nigerian, it's Brazilian, but a little quirk about me is just every time that I hear a song, I hear Yoruba lyrics on it. So this is actually a very popular Brazilian bossa nova song that I just put some Yoruba lyrics on it. It's titled Que Nada. And basically I'm just saying, because Nigerians are known to be really very loud, you know, and they're always partying and celebrating. And in my language, a celebration is called Ariya. So, and when you hear someone say, Oya, Oya, that means, let's go. Let's get ready. That's Oya. So I'm saying, Ariya Lawa. And the Ariya tonight is a musical Ariya, right? We're going to have a big buffet of music like Yemi Konga later. Let's go, right? Yeah, I'm just trying to tell you what it means before I go into it. So Ariya Lawa, musical party. Oya, Oya, let's get ready, let's dance. And so you say, tipa, 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 lamajo. Like by force, like really by force you have to dance. By force you have to feel joy. Because when we're united in music, there will be no negative energy. So that's what I'm saying in the verse. Thank you. Que Nada. Thank you so much. And that's my set for tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss River Blue. Thank you. Woo!